Hi friends, today we are going to see about react-redux package. Many would wonder why we need a package to make Redux and React work. Many would think Redux was written only for React, but the answer is no. Though Redux was written React in mind, it is just a third-party library which can work with anything. Even you can use Redux with Angular or any other frameworks. To make Redux work with React, you need to have a separate package called as react-redux. So you may ask me why is it needed? But the answer is the React. If you take this app component, if it is written in React, and this is Redux store, what we talked in the previous lectures. So these two can't understand each other. You can't make a Redux store to directly work with React. So as I said earlier, you need a React Redux package. So that only it is like a middleman which makes the React understand Redux. So if you see through this diagram, this is a React Redux image. So provider is a component of React Redux which acts like a middleman between the React and React store. So that's the reason why we need to wrap the app component with provider so that it can talk with the Redux. So I can show you a simple example. So we need to do it like this. We need to wrap our app React component with the provider, which takes a store. As we store and we do it with create store and reducer, as we saw in previous lectures. Basically we do all this for getting the state, and in React Redux how to get the state and how to call the actions which is available in the Redux store. That is performed only through a connect helper method of React Redux. So only through connect you can get the state or call the actions from a React component. So how can we write that? I can show you in an example. So it has to be written like this. Here I have to say I have to mention the state which I need it in my component. All the states will be converted to props and made available in the component, and I also need to mention the actions I want in the component. So even the actions will be converted as props and be made available in the component. So only through this you will be able to connect to the Redux store and get the data only through this connect helper method. So once we do the connect or call the actions through the connect, what will happen is the reducer will do the logic and change the state, and once the state is changed, this component will be re-rendered. So this is how it happens. This is how you can understand how Redux maintains a separate application state and it is able to maintain a separate logic out of the component. Okay. Thank you. Hope you understood. Thank you.